Here's a simple secret that you can use to grow your YouTube channel fast. Community tab posts. Here's what somebody posted after doing community tab posts. Their subscribers went from 50 to 350 in just the last 5 days. And this, by the way, is what the community tab looks like. You can post images, you can post polls. And now here's a secret. Here's how you can generate unlimited community tab posts in a matter of seconds. You go to this special AI tool, you click community posts, and then you put in your channel handle. For example, my channel is Make Money Matt. You click generate. It's going to analyze our channel, and boom, just like that, we have a community tab post we can literally just copy and paste onto our channel. And what's so epic about this also is you can actually generate polls as well, as you can see right there. This will get you a ton of subscribers and views. Now, the tool is called TUBEMAGIC, and it will also help you write well-optimized scripts, generate titles, tags, and descriptions, and help you with everything that goes into optimizing a YouTube channel with AI tools. And all of these successful YouTubers right here are using TUBEMAGIC as their secret tool for growing on YouTube. And I'd love to invite you to get access to TUBEMAGIC with a special deal going on right now. Just click anywhere on this ad and you can sign up with our special early bird deal before we do eventually raise the price. We've initially launched this with a small group of big YouTubers. We've dialed the tools in, connecting with the YouTube API and other content generation tools, and we've created the best suite of AI tools for growing on YouTube that exists. My name is Matt Parr, by the way, and I run the Make Money Matt channel on YouTube, and I also run a bunch of faceless channels that have helped me get play buttons just like these. And I'm using TUBEMAGIC to help speed up the process with running all of my different channels and cut down on freelancer costs. Imagine, for example, that you didn't have to hire a scriptwriter. You didn't have to spend hours upon hours writing your own scripts, optimizing your videos, and everything that goes into running a YouTube channel. And now with TUBEMAGIC, that's all possible. It will literally do it all for you. Feel free to click on this ad, check it out. I can't wait to see you inside. You're going to absolutely love it, and you will wonder what you ever did without it. Now, TUBEMAGIC does cost a monthly subscription to use, but think about it like this. If this saved you from hiring someone to write a script or spending hours upon hours writing your own scripts, and if you compare this against optimizing your own videos and spending hours of your time or hiring people to manage your channels for you, this will save you thousands upon thousands of dollars, and we only charge a low monthly fee. So if you want to get started with this early bird special, now is the best time to get in on the ground floor of TUBEMAGIC, and now is the best time to get started using the best suite of AI tools out there. I can't wait to see you inside. Nice to meet you if this is our first time meeting, and hopefully I'll see you there.